Welcome to a crucial phase in our AI journey, data collection. This is where it all begins for AI and machine learning. Picture data collection as the foundation of a building. Just like a strong foundation is essential for a sturdy building, effective data collection is vital for building robust AI models. But why is data collection so important? Well, without data, there's no material for AI to learn from. It's the raw input that feeds the algorithms, enabling them to learn, adapt, and make intelligent decisions. The quality, variety, and volume of the data collected significantly influence the performance of AI models. It's like cooking a gourmet meal. The better the ingredients, the better the dish. Now let's look at the fascinating ways we gather this data. Surveys and questionnaires. Imagine asking questions to understand people's preferences or opinions. Surveys and questionnaires are traditional yet powerful tools to collect structured data directly from a specific audience. They help in gathering focused information that can be pivotal in understanding consumer behavior, market trends, or public opinions. Web scraping. Here's where it gets tech-savvy. Web scraping is like sending out digital agents to collect data from websites automatically. This method is a goldmine for gathering vast amounts of data from the internet, be it product information, articles, or user reviews. It's an efficient way to harness the wealth of information available online. Sensors and IoT devices. Imagine a world where devices talk to each other, constantly sharing data. Sensors and Internet of Things, IoT devices, do just that. They collect real-time data from the physical world, from temperature sensors in a smart home to fitness trackers monitoring your health. This data is invaluable for AI applications that interact with the real world, like smart cities or health monitoring systems. Social media and online platforms. Think about the billions of posts, tweets, and interactions happening on social media every day. Extracting data from these platforms provides a deep dive into public sentiment, trends, and social dynamics. It's like having a finger on the pulse of society. Transactional data. Every time a purchase is made or a service is used, data is generated. Collecting data from business transactions and activities offers insights into consumer behavior, operational efficiency, and market dynamics. It's crucial for AI models in finance, retail, and e-commerce. In essence, data collection is the art and science of gathering the information that fuels AI. From surveys to social media, each method provides a unique lens through which AI can understand and interpret our world. Let's dive into the next crucial step in our data journey: data cleaning and pre-processing. Think of this as preparing and seasoning your ingredients before cooking a meal. No matter how fresh your ingredients are, they need to be prepped right to create a culinary masterpiece. Similarly, raw data needs to be cleaned and pre-processed to build effective AI models. Why is data cleaning so important? Imagine cooking with ingredients that haven't been sorted or cleaned. Your dish wouldn't turn out very well, right? The same goes for AI. Raw data often contains errors, inconsistencies, and irrelevant information. Cleaning this data ensures that the AI system is learning from accurate, relevant, and high-quality information. Handling missing values. One of the common issues in data is missing values. Think of them as missing puzzle pieces. If you try to complete a puzzle with missing pieces, you'll never get the full picture. Similarly, AI models can't perform accurately with incomplete data. We handle missing values by either filling them in with estimated values, a process known as imputation, or by removing the incomplete records altogether. Data normalization. This is about bringing harmony to your data. Imagine if one part of your data is shouting and another is whispering. Normalization is like adjusting the volume to ensure every part of the data is heard equally. By scaling the data to a specific range, normalization makes sure that no single feature dominates the model, leading to a more balanced and fair learning process. The magic touch of pre-processing. This is where we transform the data into a format that AI models can easily digest. We format, clean, and organize the data. It's like chopping and measuring your ingredients so that they're ready to be cooked perfectly. In summary, data cleaning and pre-processing are essential for the accuracy and effectiveness of AI models. It's the unsung hero behind the scenes, ensuring that the data is in its best form to train the AI. This meticulous preparation sets the stage for AI models to learn efficiently and deliver reliable results. Data transformation. Techniques like data wrangling, feature extraction. Welcome to the world of data storage and management, a critical pillar in our AI journey. Imagine you've gathered a treasure trove of information. Now, where do you keep it? How do you ensure it's accessible, secure, and well organized? This is where data storage and management come into play, acting as the library and bank vault for your precious data. Databases, the classic storehouses. Think of databases as traditional libraries, where data is catalogued and stored in an orderly manner. In the realm of AI, databases are like well-organized collections where structured data is neatly stored in tables, rows, and columns. Whether it's a customer's purchase history or sensor readings from a smart device, databases provide a systematic way to store and retrieve this structured information. They're essential for maintaining the integrity and accessibility of data. Data warehouses, the grand archives. Now let's scale up. When we talk about data warehouses, we're referring to massive storehouses that consolidate data from multiple sources. Imagine a grand archive, where data from various departments of a company is collected, organized, and stored for comprehensive analysis. Data warehouses are designed for complex queries and large-scale data analysis, making them indispensable for business intelligence and big data analytics. Cloud storage, the new age solution. Enter the era of cloud storage, the game changer in data management. It's like having an infinite, scalable, and highly accessible digital space. Cloud storage allows you to store vast amounts of data without worrying about physical hardware limitations. It offers flexibility, cost-effectiveness, and the ability to access data from anywhere in the world. For AI applications, this means having the agility to scale up storage needs on demand and facilitate seamless data sharing and collaboration. In essence, data storage and management are the backbone of any AI system. They ensure that data is not only safely stored, but also efficiently managed and readily available for AI models to access and learn from. It's the meticulous organization behind the scenes that empowers AI systems to function seamlessly and effectively. In essence, each step in handling data, from collection to storage, is a meticulous and vital process in the AI lifecycle. It's a blend of art and science, ensuring that the data is in its optimal form, enabling AI systems to learn efficiently and perform effectively. This journey through data handling showcases the intricate choreography behind AI, where every step is crucial in shaping intelligent, reliable, and insightful AI models.